Exavision is a French small company. We are working on optronic systems, mainly for two applications. The first one is embedded optronics for land vehicle and vessels, and the second one is border surveillance and sensitive site surveillance. So just here you have a product range dedicated on targeting and observation surveillance for both naval and land military vehicles. So the product integrates thermal cameras, visible camera, laser rangefinder. Is totally qualified to military environment. And right now, this product is embedded on weapon system, remote weapon systems.
So we are presenting our range of countermeasure for airborne platforms and for land forces. Okay, so we have a broad range of countermeasure solutions that we can address for Polish platforms such as Rosomak or PT-91, T-72, or for the so-called VIP helicopters or the Black Hawk of PZDL Mirec. Here you can find as a premiere here in Poland Expo the GALIX automated obscurancy system. So it's a complete system, turnkey system from detection to reaction. So we are able to detect all kind of IR and laser guided threats, such as a laser designator, laser beam rider, or laser guided bomb, for example. So we can use detection with a sensor, so laser sensor, and we use the reaction through the control unit. We can be integrated with the battle management system of the armored vehicle, and so we can detect the threat. Then we can react within 1 second with a full broadband masking effect.
So on this edition of MSPO, we are exhibiting our new power pack for PT-91 T-72, coupled to the Scania engine. This power pack was also exhibited last year, but this year we are promoting new options and also new application. So this power pack is also fitting the new tank PT-16 presented by Boumar Bende. We have an additional level of power of 1090 horsepower, so meaning 3 possibilities on the engine concerning the power: 1000, 1090 and 1200 horsepower. So in fact we are presenting a new way of coupling of the output of the transmission, allowing a quick remove of the power pack even on the field. The actuation of the coupling is done manually. It was done hydraulically in the past. So this manual actuation allows a much quicker replacement of the power pack. We are also exhibiting the driver station, including the new control, the new gear selector, with a specific control, with different driving modes that I can describe to you. So we are showing here all the control controlling the power pack. So the steering wheel for the steering of the vehicle with the main display. On the steering wheel there are 2 buttons allowing manual change of gear. An additional display gives extra information to the driver and can be moved outside when the driver is driving with the head outside. On the right, the gear selector with the forward gear, reverse gear, pivot, several modes of gear change, and the control of the fan.
The core business of XBlue is inertial navigation, so both naval and land application for defense. But in fact, XBlue is coming from civil market. In the civil market, XBlue is a player in subsea navigation, especially for offshore market, also hydrography, and then gradually it moved to to defense, naval defense first. Now Xblue is considered to be a leader in naval defense. And now we are moving to land defense with some successes that we get in the recent years. And we expect, of course, to grow our market share in this domain. In MSPO, we are showing the stabilized platform, but we'll rather speak about our inertial navigation system family for land defense. So we have a range of products from Vega, which is the most performing, which is competing against the best system in the world, but with something new, that it's using the fiber optical gyro technology. And this fiber optical gyro technology is the technology of tomorrow. Because, for example, in naval defense, the performance is far above what is reached today with the laser gyro technology. And also, there is a big advantage, is that there is no maintenance. Once you install your system in your vehicle or your vessel, you don't need to recalibrate or make any periodic maintenance. You can forget it for 15 years and then it will still work.
So Zodiac Aerospace is a large French corporation. We do have more than 35,000 employees all around the world. It's a worldwide corporation. We do have a sales revenue over 5 billion euro yearly. We are one of the top 10 large aerospace equipment manufacturer, mostly in commercial aviation, but we do have some military business, and this is the reason of our presence here in Poland on the military show. We are well famous for seats as a seats manufacturer, but we do all what is within the cabin of commercial aviation, from the cockpit to the rear of the aircraft. We can arrange a full cabin to the customer needs. For my business line, the parachutes, it's mostly a military focus and military customer. I'm presenting here, introducing the latest product for special forces. We were just awarded by the French forces to provide them with the most advanced high altitude free fall system, equipping it's a full system that equipped the French forces from the parachute itself, the navigation system, all the clothing of the troopers. So it will be the most advanced system in the world. So we are very proud of this competition, having won this competition.